Hello everyone, today I have this power strip. It comes with 3 different outlets in it and it is waterproof. Super excited about this. I'm also excited because this has overload protection. I know that's a little bit hard to see, but it says overload protection, short circuit protection, 750-degree fireproof. It is USA standard plug and it is waterproof. I mean, look at that. They have this little rubber cover for your reset button. Here's a little 360 view. We're going to go ahead and see how this does. My overall thoughts on this are, I love it. 3 different outlets, waterproof, and it's going to prevent you from getting a short circuit. I love it. I can't say enough good things about it. Absolutely get one for your home.